Would you like to have a job in the healthcare field? Maybe you're looking for a higher paying job or something to do after finishing high school. Or maybe you're looking for work when your kids go back to school. If this sounds like you, consider joining KOM's training program for Exploring Healthcare Careers, or HCCE for short. The Healthcare Career Exploration Training is designed to help you get started working in healthcare. Right now, this field is growing. There are many healthcare jobs available. It's possible to make a career. That means you can start with one job that does not require experience, but over time you gain more skills and education and work your way to a higher paying job with more responsibility. In HCCE, you'll learn medical vocabulary and become certified in CPR. You will learn about different healthcare jobs, develop your resume, and gain work experience. Here's some more information about each of these parts of training.
We learn about medical terms and their definition. Sometimes teacher will give us the term and we had to find the definition.
CPR class will happen in person, so you'll get hands-on experience.
We explore many careers like certified nurse assistant, medical assistant, LPN, and more. For example, if we want to work as a certified nurse assistant, our teacher Paula will help us do the research about certified nurse assistant, and we will look up into the company and we will look into what are the requirements.
After I finished this training, I got ideas how to make a better resume, how to make a better cover letter, and how to use words and make sentences in a job interview. This training is very fun and helpful.
A career counselor will help you connect with an employer where you can start your first healthcare job and earn while you learn. Classes are online, and you can talk to career counselor Nari for help getting set up with a computer and internet before the training. The online classes will be twice per week, starting at the end of August, going through November. And during a usual class, you'll hear from guest speakers who are medical professionals, watch videos and presentations, and you'll do your assignments together in class. Some other benefits from this training include working with a financial coach to help you reach your goals. You can earn gift cards for attendance, and you can access driver's education if you need to get your permit or license. To be eligible for this training, you need to identify as Southeast Asian. You'll be currently unemployed or working part-time, and you want to find a job in a healthcare setting. Class is starting soon, so make sure to register as soon as you can. The link to apply is in the description. Be sure to reach out to Nari if you have any questions or need help applying. We hope to see you in training soon.